What up, and welcome. I am Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Corel Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. If you have made this far, then you are a champion, because now we are getting into the fun stuff, interesting things. The first project that we are going to do is vehicle branding. So let me show you what I did some time ago. So this is my work. This is me doing the final application to the car. I also worked on laying out the design for branding. So I'm just giving you an idea of what I did, or my portfolio. So I did everything here, including the cutting, making some decision on what else it's gonna be done. So to show you that this is a real, legit, and a professional business. This is Cornella brand. This is who they are, and this is what they do. And what they do is phenomenal for us as South African local businesses. I'm not going to get into details into what they do, but as you can see that this is before and this is after. So what you saw on the video, this is it in real life. This is it in real life. So we are going to get into the fun stuff. Our first project is going to be vehicle branding. Obviously we are not going to design this car again and whatever, but we are going to do a different project. It's going to be a new project, and then it's going to be vehicle branding. That's where I'm going to show you all the tools and techniques and what goes down into vehicle branding. Obviously at this point in time, maybe you are a freelancer working from home, or you are just interested in graphic design. You have never worked professionally as a graphic designer. You don't know the ins and outs. So in this project, if you've made it this far, then that means you are serious and you are committed. You want to learn graphic design. Hence I'm also going to deliver and show you everything. Continuing, there are some times in life where you wake up demotivated for a lot of reason, where you wake up, you feel like you are not winning, you are not where you want to be. Maybe age is catching up on you. You are almost 32 and you feel like you haven't some sort of made any substantial whatever piece of success as the world define. Some of the days you just wake up in the morning, when you switch on the TV, and you start to see a vehicle that you branded on TV. As demotivated as you are, that changes how you see yourself and also how you see the world. So I'm one of those people who once encountered that. When you are just on your worst day and wake up and you see your own design and the work that you're proud of and the work that you took extra care to make sure that you deliver on it, and you see it on TV, that adds value to you. Obviously it changes the feeling, it changes the tone, it changes also how you see yourself as well. So this is one of the work that I did, and I'm very proud of. I did my best to make sure that I deliver on this project. So I was just trying to say that life is life. We also do go through our ups and downs. Even you as a graphic designer, or you are still starting, or you are still new, you don't even know what graphic design is, obviously you will get the hang of it, but these are the things that we can't avoid. Like, life is life. So the point is, don't give up, be strong, continue, wake up with a strong energy and positive vibe, and tell yourself that you are going to make it. And also don't look for expensive things or bigger things to motivate yourself. Just like as I've been telling you, that sometimes I go to this page and just look at the work that I did, and that is it, and that is enough to keep me going. So let's just continue. Okay, this is also the other video that I did. By the way, if you want to see a link to these videos, this is my channel, Corel Design. You can visit it, and then maybe you search this car branding for graphic designers. This is me explaining the application process. So I'm just gonna play a little bit, few seconds of this video so that we can hear what I'm saying there.
Whatever measurements that we take here, how far is it from the door, how far is it from here, how far is it from here, we need to keep that template so that we can always use the same measurement to the other side. Obviously the designer, when he was designing, he knew how far is this from here to here. He knew how far is it from here to here. But us as the applicators, we just need to work on the best fit, to see how it fits. As soon as we get it right here, we are happy with it, we just copy all.
Okay, that is it, guys. If you are interested on watching the whole video, obviously you can check the link in the description below, or you can go to my YouTube channel. So here I was just showing you that at least I've got a knowledge, or I know a thing or two about designing for vehicle branding and vehicle wrapping. Not only I know a thing or two, even the actual application, as you can see here in this video, I'm explaining the techniques and what applicators go through. So this means that if you subscribe and stick to this graphic design course until the end, not only you going to have in some sort of a theoretical knowledge, but you are going to be equipped with industry tools and technique. With my 10 years of experience in graphic design, in printing industry, and also in digital print media, so I'm going to wrap that experience and give it to you. So now we are going to get into a vehicle branding project. So let me just introduce the project and we'll get into it in the next video. Okay, let's pretend we've been asked by a business person who got let's say a job or a big project from Uber. Why is it going to be someone who got a big project from Uber? Why don't we say in this project it's Uber themselves? In most cases in business, or in most cases in real life, your company that you are working for as a graphic designer or project manager or whatever, or an applicator, whatever job that you are taking there, you will find out that there are people who get jobs, and then once they get these jobs, most of them, they don't really have the skill and the capacity to deliver, and they will hire your company to do the actual job. Obviously the idea of middlemen make things tough, hence I've decided to say that we are not talking to Uber directly. Let's pretend that someone else is talking on behalf of Uber. They got the job and then now they are asking us to do. So what is it that they want us to do for Uber? Okay, Uber is now changing how they do things in their overall business. Maybe they want to have their own branded vehicles. So it means that they have got independent contractors, which is your drivers, people who are driving their own cars. But now they are thinking maybe they are missing something. Can't they also have their own branded vehicle, maybe for special people, or maybe they are going to offer that as a service, as a premium service? So now they are asking us, through this guy that is anonymous, they are asking us to design the branding for those cars. And then let's assume that the guy who's asking us to do the job, it's John. Then we're asking John, you want us to brand the Uber cars for you? Yes. How many? He said it's going to be plus minus 50. Plus minus 50? Yes. Hey, that's a lot of work. Yes, that's a lot of work. So that means I need a job. When do you want the job? John said that, look, we've got almost a month. No, John, it's impossible. John insists that we've got a month to brand 50 vehicles. In real life, you won't be, as a designer, sitting there in a very beautiful, nice office. You have like 6 months to do the vehicle wrapping and whatever design, and also the client is going to be communicate with you via email, and it's a very nice conversation. That's not going to happen. In most cases, jobs, they come very, very quick, and it's heavy job, and they must be done now. It's always the case. I'm not sure if the people who receive these jobs, maybe they were not aware if they are going to receive these jobs, or maybe the clients are changing their minds most of the time. But the basic thing that is going to happen is that somebody is going to come to you into your business as a designer, or into your work environment, and they are going to ask for a big job, and they will want it now. The turnaround time for the job and the quality that you have to deliver, you'll find out there's a big gap there. Looking at the time, it looks like you can't deliver this quality. That is always going to happen. So this is the project that we are taking in. What are we given by John in order to pull this project? John just came with this picture of an Uber logo. I even, as you can see, that it looks like John downloaded this from the internet. Based on how John presents himself, it's even tough for us to even trust if they've been given this job by Uber. It's very, because you can see they don't have something substantial. They are not giving us more information. Uber is a very big brand and a professional company, but now when you ask John, he just has this image. And what else, John? And he said, no, they told me that, they told you that, they didn't send you a proper document. No, they just told me that this is the model of the cars that they will be branding. They will buy cash these cars. So this is the car that you have to brand. Okay, John, that's not a problem. Bring the car to us in our workshop, then we can take proper measurement. No, they haven't bought the car, and I also don't have the car. So, and we don't have time. I need to show them something. In real life, as a designer, these are the problems that you are going to be facing. This guy want to show Uber something, a mock-up or something that has been designed. So as a designer, you have to quickly do something. Obviously, maybe you don't communicate to that guy directly. Maybe you will be communicating to the project manager or the production manager. But whatever the case is, John wants this now, and there is also a list of jobs that you are supposed to do, and John is coming with a very big job, and the way he does things, you even doubt if he got this job. You even don't want to start the work and find out John is not going to pay later. As more as doubting as you are, in most cases these clients are true, and they are genuine and valid clients. Like John has been given the job, but the way they present themselves and how unrealistic they are sometimes, you always feel like he's a scam or something, because you don't know why somebody will come with a big job and they want it in a month or 2 weeks. It doesn't make sense, but this is real life. Those things happen. So what we've been given by John, it's only an Uber logo and the modem. Okay, John, bring the car. The car is not here. We don't have the car. Okay, can you go and hire the car? I don't have that time, and I don't have money to go and hire the car for you. I think if you don't want the job, you can tell me, then I will find somebody else who's going to deliver. Okay, John, I will make a plan. As a designer, you have to make a plan. You have to make a plan, even if you are only given this information. I know, based on maybe what you were thinking about graphic design and jobs and whatever, you thought that, okay, there will be a round of a meeting. Maybe in design agencies, these things is possible. It happened. Maybe a designer and a project manager and the client, they will sit in a beautiful chair, beautiful office, nice furniture. They will talk about the project. But in signage and the wrapping industry, those things don't happen. There we are dealing with real life problems. Some people, they want to cash out very quick. They got the job, and even the job that they got, they didn't get it legit. So now they are looking for any company to quickly do the thing. And some clients, they don't even mind you guys making a lot of mistakes and wasting a lot of money. They don't even mind. They just want to quickly get the job done. Those are the realistic problems that you will face as a designer. So this is what John has given us, and we have to solve the problem. See what you can do to show me that we are getting into the next phase. John needs a sense of progress. He wants to see something. He wants to present this to the stakeholders, and then so that maybe he can get the money or he can get the ball rolling. So in the next video, we are going to take as all the steps necessary to take this very few rough, random thinking, unstructured, everything that it's a mess in a way, if I can put it that way. Then as a designer, you have to take this mess and craft a message. In the next video, I'm going to show you step by step how to take this whole mess and craft a message. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.